Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel Yours Techie, and in today's video I'm gonna show you quick unboxing of dual driver earphones that I have got from gearbest.com. So these are the earphones that I have purchased from gearbest.com, and I have been using it since last month, and these are pretty good. So on the box there is hybrid dynamic hybrid dynamic amateur drivers, high sensitivity treble and powerful dynamic bass. On the back side of the earphones we got some another information about color and weight and plug type. So on the sides of the box here is a mic and there are some logo, and there is also a logo. So let's remove it out of the box, keep it aside. After opening the box we will see these earphones, and let's open it. Oh shit, let's open it. Damn. After opening the box you will see the package of the earphones. These are the earphones that you are getting, and ear tips. Let me keep it back. And it's a cable of earphone. Let's remove it from plastic and open it. The cable is made up of rubberish material, which is very good, and this 3.5 mm jack. It is compatible with every mobile phone, and this is a main box or main wire holder. Here is multi-functional button and a microphone. These are the jacks that are to be connected to the earplugs. Let me take out earphones from the package. And these are the earphones. It's very good quality earphones with high bass and treble, and it also has a dual driver. One is dynamic and one is amateur. Let me focus my camera on earphones to show you guys all clearly. These are the earphones, and you can see the overall look of it. So let's keep it aside and connect it to wire. It's mentioned here left, so we have to connect it to the left one. It's connected. This cable is meant for right one, so we have to connect it to right earphones. Let me keep all contents aside. Let me show you its sound quality. Let me connect it to my tab. I'm recording this video in stereo so you can hear the earphone sounds when you are using any earphones. Let me show you sound. Now you have got the idea of the earphones. So download links will be given in the description, and you can also buy other earphones from those links that I have given in my description box. Hope you guys have loved this video, and if you do so, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video. So signing out, yours Techie, and have a nice day.